Card tutorial non-pro. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To create a website using Card, visit 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀 in your browser and choose a starting point, then pick blank page for a fresh start. Click Add an element to insert components like text, images, videos, audio, and other elements into your project. For images, select the image option available in Elements and configure the title, alternate text, and link URL in the Settings panel. Use the Appearance tab to adjust position, shape, border, and dimensions. Then access the Animation section to customize animation type, duration, delay, and threshold settings. To add text elements, select text from the New Element options and click the text to edit its content. The text options allow you to modify appearance settings including color, font, size, and spacing, while the Animation section lets you configure text animations. For buttons, add a new element and select the button option. Then click the button to edit it directly. The button settings include configuring the label, icon, and URL, with options to add multiple buttons as needed. The Appearance tab provides controls for button style, color, spacing, and size adjustments.